Hello students, in our last class we have already discussed about how to find the area of triangle. But today we are going to take a new topic, minus and cofactors. So let's start with definition of minus. According to this definition, minus of an element Aij. Here Aij is an element of a given determinant. Here I stands for row and J stands for column of a determinant is the determinant. Minor is the determinant of a given determinant obtained by. How should we find the minor of a given determinant? By deleting its ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Minor of an element Aij is denoted by Mij. Here M stands for minus. So how should we find the minors of an element of a given determinant? Now I am taking an example. Find the minor of 6 of this determinant 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 3, 1, 5. Here we are going to find the minor of 6. Here 6. How should we find the minor of this element? First of all, we are going to find the position. What is the position of this element? Here 6 lies in second row and third column. This is the third column. 6 is the element of this determinant at which position? 6 lies at second row and third column. It means the position of this element is A to 3. A to 3. Here 2 stands for second row and C3. Here 3 stands for third column. So now we are going to find the minor of 6. M23. Here M23 stands for 6. Minor of M23 is equal to, how should we find the minor of this element? By deleting the second row and the third column. After deleting the second row and third column, we will get the minor of this element. 1, 2, 3, 1. After deleting the second row and third column, we have 4 elements. 1, 2, 3 and 1. This is the minor of 6. Children, can we find the minor of this element? So first of all, we are going to find the position of this element. The position of this element is what? The position of this element is minor of 2 is equal to M. The position of this element is first row. This element lies in the first row and second column. In first row and in second column. After deleting the first row and second column, we have how many elements? We have 4, 6, 3 and 5. So minor of this element M 1, 2. Here 1 stands for first row and 2 stands for second column. So the minor of this element is equal to 4, 6, 3, 5. This is the minor of this element. After the definition of minors, now I am taking the term cofactor. First of all, we are going to define the term factor. According to this definition, cofactor of an element Aij, denoted by capital Aij, defined by capital Aij, is equal to minus 1 to the power sum of I and j into Mij. Here Mij stands for minus. Now, make you understand this topic very clearly, I am taking an example. One, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 5, 6, 2. Children, if we are going to find the cofactor of this element, if we are going to find the cofactor of this element, so we are going to use this result Aij. Here I stands for row and j stands for column. So what is the position of this element? The position of this element is first row and third column. It means the position of this element is A13. So how can we find the cofactors of 3? A13, because this is the first row and third column. So the value of A13 is equal to minus 1 to the power, here we are using this result, minus 1 to the power I plus j. Here the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 3. So the sum of 1 and 3 into minus of this element. So how can we find the minus of this element? By deleting the first row and the third column. Here after deleting the first row and third column, we have a determinant of order 2 by 2. 4, 7, 5, 6. This is the cofactor of this element. Similarly, you can find the cofactor of 1, 2, 4, 7, 5, 6 by using this method. So we can simplify it. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, 4. 4 is an even number. So minus 1 to the power 4 is positive value. 4, 7, 5, 6. 6, 4 is 24. 24 minus 35. The value of A13 minus 11. This is the cofactor. This is the cofactor of element 3. So children, I hope you have understood this topic very clearly.